your girl, Pretty Isha, and I'm back with another new lit video. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And don't forget to hit that tap notification bell to be notified for every new video that I post. So as you can tell by the title, I'm baking a pink strawberry Valentine's cake, period. I'm baking a strawberry cake. And we got white icing. And we're going to use it with the pink dot. So I'm going to go ahead and show you everything. And then we're going to start mixing it, period. Okay, guys. So this is everything we have. We have the strawberry mix. We have the eggs. We have the pink dye. As y'all see, it's pink. You see it on my fingers? Yeah. We have the oil, the vanilla extract. We also have the white buttercream. And that's what the pink dye is for, to mix it in there to make pink icing. And then we have pink sanded sugar. And we have the cookie cutters, but y'all, we finna use them into shapes. And we finna make like Valentine's pieces of cake. It's really for cookies, but y'all get what I'm trying to say. And then we got the bowl to mix it. And then this is all the shapes. You got the lips, the hearts, 2 hearts, the arrow, the X, and the O. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Hey guys, so the first ingredient we're gonna add is the strawberry cake mix. So let's get it open. And we're gonna add it. Don't mind my hands, like I told y'all before, it's from the pink dye. Okay. So let's add all the cake mix in it. Add all the cake mix. You guys, you took the picture? No. I already did. You ain't got to do it with the eggs. Next, we're gonna add the eggs. When you see the egg crack, then you do it. Go. Shut up. Y'all don't mind me telling my daughter when to take the picture, because I'm trying to get some pictures for my thumbnail. And yeah, so we added 3 eggs. So we done with this. We're gonna go ahead and add the oil. Now we got water, which I forgot to add. So how much water we need? We need 1 cup of water. So let's add some water.
What are you doing, Papa?
Add some vanilla extract. No, I don't measure nothing. I just do it. That's how it should look. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna get ready and stir it now. So let's stir it and see how it come out. Okay, guys. So I'll be back when I'm finished stirring, because as y'all can see, I gotta get all these lumps and stuff out. Y'all look. Gotta get all these lumps and stuff, and y'all still see the white powder. And yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, now we're gonna add the mix. Okay, guys, so everything is in here. Now we're gonna get ready and put it in the oven. Y'all remember y'all was kids and y'all always wanted to lick the thing. Look at her. Go get it. Remember y'all was kids? Delicious. I was always that kid that wanted to lick the spoon. And baby girl right behind me. But yeah, we'll see y'all when the cake is finished. Okay, guys, so now I'm back. And I'm finna make the whipped cream. It's white, so let's put it all in here. Y'all look at it. It's buttercream icing. So y'all see it's empty. So we're gonna get this. And we're gonna put y'all look, it went back on my finger. So let's see how it's gonna change. Oh y'all look. Wow. Valentine's Day prepared. So guys, I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the finish. Don't mind it because I did poke holes in it, but we finna put the icing on top. So let's flip it. Y'all came out with no problem. So let's fix it back the right way. So yeah, let's add the icing and see how it goes. Okay guys, so this is the cake so far. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the shaping. Guys, so you see the cake, and then we have the shapes, and we have the rest. Okay guys, so I forgot to add this. So let's go ahead and add it now.
Oh, so cute.
Y'all look at it. Don't mind it splitting, but y'all look at it. It is so cute. Guys, so I'm gonna do the first shaping and my daughter's gonna do the next one. So I'm gonna go ahead with the 2 hearts and I'm gonna put it to try to shape it. Y'all look at it. Don't judge me, but this the lips, the X, the 2 hearts, and the heart. Y'all, this is so pretty. And this is everything that we have left. And this the cakes. Okay, guys, that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And don't forget to tap that notification bell to be notified when I drop a new lit video, period. Because like I said, it's only up for here. Make sure you put God first in all that you do. And I hope y'all love my little Valentine pink cake. Y'all tried to put the stencils or whatever, but hey, it is what it is. It was a cookie cutter, and I turned it into a cake cutter, so maybe I gotta go find some cake cutters, but it'll be alright. Comment down below if y'all gonna make a cake. Comment down below how the cake look. Give it a 1 to 10. Y'all comment down below. Y'all give me some tips in the comments. Don't be rude, because I do clap back. And yeah, like I said, it's only up for here, period. I love you, PG Bags. Thank you to my new subscribers. I love you guys. Thank you to my old subscribers. When your girl hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. So guess what? Go tell your family, your best friend, your co-workers, your auntie, your grandma, your great-grandma, your great-auntie. Tell all them to subscribe to your girl's channel. All your kids, they grandkids, all your teenage nephews, nieces, whatever. Tell them to subscribe to this channel. Make sure y'all watch them videos so them hours can go up as well. And yeah, like I said, I will be doing a giveaway. And see you in the next what? Video.